Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add another savings account on the Capitec app. Start by opening the Capitec app on your phone. Make sure you are connected to the internet. If you are not signed in, enter your remote app PIN or use your fingerprint or Face ID to log in. Once you are logged in, you will see the home screen with your accounts. Next, go to the Explore section of the app. If you cannot find Explore, you can stay on the Home section. Look carefully for the button that allows you to add a new account. This may appear as a plus sign or a button labeled Add. Tap on that button to continue. After tapping Add, you will see an option to create a savings account. Tap on Savings Account to start setting it up. Now you need to choose the type of account you want. Capitec offers different options such as flexible, business, or other savings products. Pick the type that matches your needs. Once you have selected the account type, tap Continue. The app may ask you to enter a nickname for the account. You can choose a name that helps you remember its purpose, like Holiday Fund or Emergency Savings. After this, the app will show a summary of the new account. Check that all details are correct. Thanks for watching.